In this quick video guide, I'm going to show you where you can insert new presets and new extensions and new plugins in After Effects, where you can add more functionalities to Adobe After Effects. Now, the first thing is to reach the installation folder of the software. In my case, is in this path right here. So you need C, Program Files, and Adobe After Effects. Now, once you are inside here, if you double click on the super files, this is where you can insert the various additional features that you want. So if I go down here, we will find a folder called presets. So this is where you can add presets. Now, if I double click, you can see that I already have all the presets that are already available in the software. So let's go, for example, in the text and then in the blurs. And this is the effects file. So if you see this format, if you right click and go in the properties of this file, you can see this is FFX. So this is the file format that you need if you want to search for on the web to download it and install it and to add it to the classic features here. And this is the folder right here, presets. Now, if you want plugins, now plugins sometimes are extensions or are presets. So if I, again, go into properties here, this is an extension. It's called AEX. And let's see also the effects, but we already know that. So that's called the FFX file. And then we have, like other plugins like Cinemaware. And this is one that I have downloaded and installed it. It's called Displacer Pro. So I will show you also where to get it. And so basically I just copy and paste the downloaded file right here inside this plugins folder. That's all you need to do. And you need to restart the software before you can actually use them. Now let's go into the web. You can find more information on the Adobe website if you search for plugins. And also, of course, if you search in Google. So if you're looking for plugins, just look for After Effects plugins. If you're looking for presets, just look for After Effects presets or free After Effects presets if you're looking for free, because most of them, they're not for free, but a lot of them, you will find them in free versions or like free trials and so on. Now, the Displacer Pro is available on the website, and you can see here, it's a zip file. So once you download it, you need to unzip it, and it's really easy to download. But let me just go back to show you the whole process. So this is the page where you can get it, and it's called the website is called plugineverything.com, and just search or just type Displacer dash pro, and here you have also like presentation, and this is where you can click, you go to Gumroad and you can download it for free, or you can leave a donation or a small amount of money if you want. It's not necessary. Then I also found this one here. It's called videocopilot.net, and the plugin is called Saber. And as you can see, it can be used to create like Saber lights. And you see here we have two buttons. If you're working with Apple, you go for here, or if you use Windows, you click here. And this is just direct download. And again, it's going to be a zipped folder. I'm going to save it in a specific folder that I created inside my After Effects folder, which is called plugins and presets. So I'm going to save it. And now let's open up the folder where I just downloaded. You can see it's zipped. So I need to first extract everything. So right click, extract, and that's the plugin right there. Now that's an application. So it's going to install by itself. So when you find this one here, just double click and install it, and it's going to do the whole job for you. So you don't need to copy and paste. There you go. So you just proceed with the installer, and that's it. Now for the other type, which is the Displacer Pro right here, again, you'll find a Mac version, Win version. I'm just going to copy this. So right click and copy, and just paste it inside the Adobe After Effects folder, super files, and plugins, which I already done. You can see it's right there. Now let's open up the software, and depending on the plugin or presets that you downloaded, you're going to find it somewhere in the Adobe After Effects interface. Follow the instructions that you find on the website. Otherwise, just the first thing I would do is go in the effects and presets right here. And this is one screenshot and one lesson of the course in After Effects that you find in the channel. And also you'll find Cinema 4D courses and other courses about video editing, video effects, motion graphics, 3D, and many, many more in the channel. So here I'm just going to type Displacer, and there it is. So Displacer Pro, so I can click and drag it inside any layer of my composition. And also here, effects. Let me select one layer, effects, and this one here is right here. Plug in everything, Displacer Pro. And that's the way you can reach them. If it's not like this, just follow the instructions on the plugin that you downloaded. Now, this will be all for this quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated. And if you want to support us, join the channel as a supporter. Check out other courses, guides, lessons, classes that we publish on the channel. See you in the next video.